All right, we're on the third floor at the Inn at Charlestown in Charlestown, West Virginia, next to Hollywood Casino and Races. There's the foyer. There's a closet over to the right. Half bathroom. This is my favorite soap out of all the hotels that we stay at. It smells good. It's got a large living room. Mounted TV and a little seating area over here. The ice bucket. That couch does fold out into another bed. I like that purple lamp. The balcony has a view of the racetrack at the Hollywood Casino. Again, this is the third floor that we're on. And there's the lower level patio. Back inside. There's the little kitchen area. Coffee in the fridge and the sink. And here's the bedroom. Pretty good sized rooms. I like the separation of the bedroom and the living room. This also has a balcony with the view of the racetrack. Back inside, there's a little seating area, a desk, another mounted television. This closet has the safe in it, and the laundry bag, and an ironing board. And here's the full bathroom with a double vanity. And towels. Nice big jetted tub. We got the private toilet area, the separate door, and the big separate shower. And again, this is the third floor at the Inn at Charlestown, West Virginia, right next to Hollywood Casino and Races.